Hi, my name is Chris Olinger, and I'm CTO and co-founder of DWise. Today, we are pleased to announce the 2.4 release of Blur. Blur is a clinical data and CSR anonymization tool designed to de-identify and anonymize both data and clinical study reports. It was designed by DWise in conjunction with pharma and has been developed over the last 4 years. This release of Blur introduces new data and NLP capabilities, and we have enhanced the CSR user interface to make the application faster and easier to use. We look forward to your feedback regarding these features, and to show you this new release, I have enlisted the help of our resident anonymization expert and all-around good guy, Kel Gallagher. So without further ado, Kel, take it away.
Thanks, Chris. Yes, everybody, 2.4 is now out, and we've added new features for data, risk, and CSR. There's also been a lot of new functionality input to the NLP engine, which will make the automated finding of PPD much better. What we're going to concentrate on today is how to do some manual anonymizations and how we've made it a lot easier and faster to apply those anonymizations into your document. Let's get started. Let's go to our project and open up a document. And if we jump over to page 7 has got a scanned CV inside it, so we're not detecting the information automatically. We've got our batch create mode turned on here. This allows us to draw boxes really quickly in order to redact information. So I can go ahead and redact this name, email, and telephone number. This is much faster than it was before. Let's go to page 26. 26 has got information that we can anonymize rather than just redact. You can see there's a lot of subject IDs down here. So I could go ahead and change my settings to be for ID numbers. Then I could similarly go back and draw the boxes that we saw previously. Now, drawing boxes is really difficult here because the subject IDs are really tightly packed together. So we went ahead and added a new text select tool. This is going to be very familiar for the Adobe users out there, where you can simply select the text that you want to anonymize, and it will cover it up with the new subject ID. Out of scope sections has always been a bit of a problem, jumping back and forth between bookmarks. So what we did is we allowed you to create out of scope sections on the fly. Simply draw your box, and now you have an out of scope section. You can adjust it to be bigger or smaller, and it saves you having to go back to the bookmarks. We also find that because some pages can be in landscape, you may want to adjust some of your windows here, and this allows the user to have as much real estate as they need whenever they're doing their anonymization. One other feature we added was the ability to now do CCI markups inside of Blur. You simply draw a box as normal, and inside the dialog, choose that it's CCI. Clearly, this is going to come in output with the different colors for CCI. Let's have a look. We'll just download our document, open it up. Let's go back to our page 26. Here you can see the CCI markup. Here you can see the first subject ID I drew with the box, and then here's the subject IDs I used with the text select tool. And this is my out of scope section. I hope you guys are excited as I am for 2.4.